We've got a couple of different gear ones, and I'm the first one, guys. I'm just going to take this one, and we'll wrap over this one. They said they've got the Electro Voice ETX 12Ps. They've got 2 of those, and then they want an EV ETX 18 SP, which is the 18-inch sub. Which, if you've ever played with the ETX 18 SP, it is a beast. It's huge. It's a big one.
It's got wheels for a reason.
Yeah, there's wheels for a reason. Now, the question becomes is, what's the best way to hook this up? Coming out of your board, you've got generally your board has got an XLR. You're coming out with the left and right XLR. The back of that sub has inputs, and a left and right XLR input, or the two. You go 2 of them into the sub, and take those 2 and take them out to your tops, and then you would just set the sub has in the menu. You can go and set it to the tops being the 12P tops. And the tops, you can go and set it to it's going to be over the 18 sub. Now, the problem is that having 2 tops with 1 sub, you're going to find that your tops are going to run away from your sub. Meaning that if you get it set at a volume, like a cocktail volume, where you think your bass sounds great, it's like, yeah, this is all great and this sounds awesome. As you push, these tops are going to continue to be able to push and get louder and louder and louder. The sub is going to get to a point where it's not going to get loud enough to keep up with those tops, because generally in that situation, you're going to want to have at least 1 sub per top. And truthfully, in that situation, to really take the paint off the walls, those tops could stand 2 subs under them. And that would be a really good match. And you would get the nice voicing from the tops, the 12-inch tops, which I prefer over the 15-inch tops. And you would have that bass that would just hit you in the chest like there's no tomorrow. So great. It's a nice little setup. It's a great way to start. I would highly recommend that, because you're going to be able to do a lot with those 3 speakers, and then you can add the next sub, and then you can add the next sub, and you can add the next sub. And those tops are still going to be with you for a number of years, because they are a quality piece. And it's truly a situation of buy once, cry once, and you're not going to cry because you've spent the money on those tops. So that one I'll hang on. We're going to get with our next year question right after this.